What's up, people? You're welcome to the Product Village. My name is Nathan Flow Rocker, and today we're going to be reviewing a very unique product. Yep, it's going to be a drone. Welcome back, people. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Now, the one I have right here is the Fly More combo. So this has a DJI RC2 controller. Let's do some unboxing. Okay, so good. Here we go. Okay, so inside we have a bag. Okay, let's start from the top. Alrighty, well packed. Now, first things first, we have the drone itself. We have the RC2 controller as well. We have the batteries. What else do we have? There's stuff right in here. Oh, there you go. Okay, we have more stuff in here. We're going to find out what that is. Okay, so basically what we have in here, these are the batteries. This looks like the manual. This is the control. So let's open them one by one. Okay, so these are the batteries, and this is the battery charger itself. So we have two in there. Now, remember what I said, that this is the Fly More combo. So that's the reason why it has more actually on the inside. Okay, so we have this. Let's open up this as well. What do we have in there? Okay, so we have the propellers. We have the propellers in here. Okay, extra propellers. We have, I think this is the screw. Let's open that a bit. Good, so this is the screw. Yeah, this is what you probably use to screw the propellers to the drone. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then we also have a USB-C to USB cable. And then we have the RC2 controller. Let's bring that out of the pack. There you have it. Now, at the back is where we have the screws. Now, these screws, these two, we're going to have to take out and screw them in here. That's the only way we're going to be able to fly the drone. Without that, it's going to be difficult. So we have the antennas likewise. And the rest of the controls, we'll get into this at a much later time. And then we have the drone itself, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. There it is, very neatly packed. It has a guide. Now this is basically guiding the camera. This is also a guide to hold down the propellers. Okay, I think that's about all we have in the box. Yes, we also have a DJI manual. This is the app card. So just in case you want to get the app directly, you can just scan with the QR code. And then we have all the manuals in here. So I guess the next video we're going to have to do will be to set up the drone itself. And then eventually we're going to have a field test. And that's where we'll fly the drone. We take it out for, I don't want to call it spin. What can we take it out for? Let's take it out for a fly. Yeah, that'd be cool.